Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy beef bulgogi right at home. Trust me, this Korean classic is going to be your new favorite. First up, let's talk ingredients. To start, you'll need 1 pound of thinly sliced beef. Ribeye or sirloin works great. Then for the marinade, grab 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar for a tangy twist. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey if you like it sweeter, 4 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Next, thinly slice a medium onion and dice a 1/4 cup of green onions. For an authentic kick, and if you like it spicy, toss in 2 tablespoons of gochujang, that's Korean red pepper paste. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and half a grated pear or apple for tenderness and sweetness. Finally, season with freshly ground black pepper. Now let's marinate. Mix all those marinade ingredients in a bowl until the sugar is dissolved. Add your sliced beef and make sure each piece is well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, but for the best flavor, go for 2 hours or overnight. Now, it's time to cook. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Once it's hot, add the marinated beef in a single layer. If your pan's not big enough, cook the beef in batches to get that each piece gets caramelized. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's beautifully browned and caramelized. And you're done. Transfer the bulgogi to a plate, garnish with extra green onions and sesame seeds, and serve it hot with steamed rice. You can add kimchi or other Korean side dishes if you want. Enjoy your homemade beef bulgogi. Don't forget to adjust the seasonings to suit your taste. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.